The James Webb Space Telescope is a marvel of modern science, representing decades of innovation, collaboration, and human curiosity. It is the most powerful telescope ever sent into space, designed to answer some of the biggest questions about our universe. Launched in December 2021, Webb orbits far beyond the Moon, at a place called L2, a stable point in space where the gravity of the Earth and Sun balance perfectly. This unique spot keeps it cold and steady, shielded from the sun's heat and light, making it perfect for observing the faintest signals from the universe. What makes Webb truly special is its giant gold-coated mirror, crafted from lightweight beryllium and coated in a thin layer of gold to reflect infrared light. This mirror is over 21 feet wide, much bigger than any other space telescope ever built, giving Webb an enormous advantage in collecting light. With its vast mirror, it can collect more light from faraway galaxies, stars, and planets, allowing scientists to study objects that were previously invisible. Webb also uses infrared light, which is invisible to our eyes but reveals secrets hidden in dust and darkness, peering through cosmic clouds to uncover new stars and planets. Unlike the famous Hubble Space Telescope, Webb sees deeper and farther, opening a new window into the distant universe. Where Hubble showed us sharp images of galaxies and nebulae, Webb looks even further back in time, capturing the first light from the earliest galaxies. It can spot the faintest glimmers from the earliest days of the universe, helping us understand how stars and galaxies first formed. With these abilities, Webb is not just another telescope. It is a time machine, a cosmic detective, and an artist, showing us the universe in ways we never dreamed possible, and inspiring a new generation to look up and wonder. The main mission of the Webb telescope is to look deeper into space than ever before. By doing this, Webb helps us see what the universe looked like billions of years ago. Scientists hope to understand how the first stars and galaxies formed after the Big Bang. Webb's powerful instruments can see through cosmic dust clouds. This lets it find newborn stars and planets forming in faraway regions. It can also study the atmospheres of planets outside our solar system. Maybe one day, Webb will help us find signs of life on these distant worlds. Scientists planned many things for Webb to find. They wanted to learn how galaxies change over time. They hoped to see how stars are born and die. They even dreamed of discovering new planets or strange objects that challenge what we know about space. But science is full of surprises. Sometimes the universe shows us things we never expected, and that is exactly what happened with Webb's latest discovery. In early 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope made a discovery that shocked the world and sent ripples through the scientific community. While observing a patch of deep space, Webb saw something no one thought was possible, something that would challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. It found a galaxy so old, so bright, and so large that it simply should not exist according to our current understanding of cosmic evolution. This galaxy, named GNZ11b, appears to have formed only 300 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was still in its infancy. According to our best theories, galaxies need much more time to grow this big and bright. The process of gathering enough gas and dust to form billions of stars should take far longer. Yet there it was, shining with the light of billions of stars, far earlier than any model predicted, defying all expectations. Webb's powerful infrared eyes captured the faint glow of this ancient galaxy, peering deeper into the cosmos than ever before. The data showed clear signs of heavy elements, like oxygen and carbon, elements that are forged in the hearts of stars and spread through supernova explosions. These elements take time to create, as they are built up over generations of stars living and dying. Their presence in such a young galaxy was a complete surprise, suggesting that star formation and element creation happened much faster than we ever imagined. Scientists around the world checked the data again and again, searching for errors or alternative explanations, but none could be found. The evidence was clear and undeniable, leaving no room for doubt. Webb had found an impossible galaxy, one that rewrites our story of the early universe and opens up new mysteries about how everything began. Why is GNZ11b such a big deal? What makes this discovery so extraordinary that it sent shockwaves through the scientific community? For decades, astronomers believed the first galaxies were small, faint, and barely visible, slowly taking shape in the darkness after the Big Bang. The common wisdom was that it took hundreds of millions of years for stars to forge heavier elements, gradually building up the complexity we see in the universe today. But the discovery of a giant bright galaxy appearing so soon after the Big Bang completely upends these long-held ideas. It challenges everything we thought we knew about the early universe. This means our theories about how the universe began and how quickly it evolved may be incomplete or even fundamentally flawed. The rules we thought were unbreakable, the very foundations of cosmic evolution, might need to be rewritten. How could so much matter come together so quickly, defying our expectations about the pace of galaxy formation? How did stars ignite and form at such a rapid rate when the universe was still in its infancy? Webb's images also revealed swirling clouds of gas and dust around GNZ11b, hinting at a chaotic, energetic environment. These are unmistakable signs of intense star birth, with new stars lighting up the galaxy at a furious pace. Even more surprising, the galaxy's core seemed to host a massive black hole, something scientists never expected to find so early in cosmic history. Black holes this big, this soon, should not exist according to our current models. Their presence is a true cosmic mystery. This discovery forces scientists to rethink how the first galaxies and black holes formed and how quickly the universe became complex. It is a puzzle, and right now, the pieces simply do not fit together, at least not yet. But that is exactly what makes science so thrilling and alive. Each new discovery doesn't just give us answers. It leads to even more questions, pushing us to explore further and deeper into the unknown. The news of Webb's impossible encounter spread quickly. Astronomers everywhere were amazed. Many called it the find of the century. Science journals rushed to publish the results. TV and websites around the world shared the story with millions. Some scientists were, skeptical at first. They wondered if the data could be wrong. But after months of careful study, the answer was clear. Webb had truly seen something new and strange. The excitement grew as more experts joined in the search for answers. The public was also fascinated. People of all ages watched videos and read articles about Webb's discovery. Many felt inspired by the idea that the universe still holds so many secrets. They saw how science can change what we think we know, sometimes overnight. For many, this discovery was a reminder of the power of curiosity. The universe is bigger and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And with tools like Webb, we are just getting started. Webb's impossible discovery has opened new doors for space science. Now, astronomers will search for more ancient, giant galaxies. They want to know if GNZ11b is one of a kind, or if there are many more like it hidden in the darkness. This discovery also pushes scientists to improve their theories. They will run new computer models and gather more data. Maybe they will find new rules about how matter and energy behaved after the Big Bang. Perhaps we will learn new things about how stars, galaxies, and black holes form. Other telescopes, both on Earth and in space, will join the search. The Webb telescope will look at more places in the sky. It will use its powerful instruments to find the oldest and brightest objects ever seen. In this way, every new discovery builds on the last. Science moves forward, step by surprising step, and the story of the universe grows richer and more detailed. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than a machine. It is a symbol of human curiosity and hope. Its golden mirrors reflect not just starlight, but our own desire to understand where we come from. For students and young people, Webb's work is a source of wonder. It shows that there are still mysteries out there, waiting to be solved. Anyone, anywhere can dream of becoming a scientist, and maybe make the next big discovery. Webb also brings people together. Scientists from many countries designed and built it. Now, people from all over the world share in its discoveries. Space science is a team effort, and the universe belongs to everyone. Every new image, every new fact, reminds us that we are part of something bigger. The universe is vast, but our curiosity is even greater. Webb's impossible encounter is just the beginning. Every answer leads to new questions. How did GNZ11b form so quickly? What other surprises wait in the darkness? The universe is full of secrets, and Webb is helping us unlock them. This discovery gives hope to scientists and dreamers alike. It shows that there are always new things to learn. The more we look, the more we find. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. With tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, the future of space exploration is bright. We will keep asking questions, searching for answers, and reaching for the stars. The universe is calling, and we are listening. As we look to the future, let us remember, curiosity has no limits. The next impossible encounter may be just around the corner,